When you think of something funny, do you grab your phone and text a friend? When you are having a bad day, do you also text them and tell them about it? How about when you're excited about something? Do you snap a quick picture that's just so cute? I don't think we realize how often we are grabbing our phones and sending a quick text to family and friends. We all enjoy being in close contact with our loved ones, family, and friends. We spend a lot of time texting them to check in on them and planning a get together. There are billions of text messages flying all across the globe, but I'm going to let you in on a little secret. You can make money from texting. Yes, you heard it right. There is a website that offers genuine money for each text message you send. This platform even links you up with new people from all over the world, and you receive money by simply texting and communicating with individuals on this website. Hello and welcome to Money Kings, where we teach you how to make the most and the easiest ways to make money. And we do it all from the comfort of your home. And click on that notification bell to get updated with the latest, easiest, and best possible ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. This website that I will be talking about in this video will not cost you anything at all, and you can utilize any device to access it from any nation in the world. And by using this website, you could get whatever you want with your earnings. There are many things you can do on this website. Keep in mind that you are paid for each text you send because there are actual people who truly wish to meet new acquaintances and are prepared to pay for it. So, they require someone like you to come on their platform and engage with other users, making friends with them. Plus, it is also a great way to socialize with new people. It's truly a wonderful side business. If you would consider getting compensated for a text, then this is an extremely simple method to do. The best part is that you can do this on a budget. You don't even need a computer. Just use your smartphone, and once you get going, they'll provide you a payout for your earnings several days following your initial encounter on their website. So really, they are just offering some quick cash. Now, the website that I want to show you is called friendpc.com. If you would go to that website, you will immediately see it says Book a Virtual Friend. As you can see, they let individuals make online contacts and speak with them, and they let people do this in several categories. You can be their life coach, virtual friend, virtual gamer, and more. Here, you can see how much other people are charging. Some are charging low amounts like $15, but if you want to, you can even get up to $20 to $40 from some of them. You also have the option to choose your own prices as you desire, because there are individuals on this website who desire to interact with you, so they will cooperate and pay you for your time. And if they really choose you, then your prices wouldn't matter that much. The first thing you want to do to get started is to scroll down to the bottom of this page, the page on which you'll find this button that reads, Become a Virtual Friend. So, you can start being a virtual friend by clicking this, and it will transport you to the web page wherein you can see the benefits of joining friendspc.com as a virtual friend. As seen here, you control the prices and time when you are available. Any type of friend services can be provided depending on you. So as soon as you choose what kind of friend package to send, you can begin to accept requests and receive money as soon as you begin interacting with people. To begin, simply click Join Today. You can register or sign in with a new account by choosing your username and email address. Or you can also have the choice to log in using your Facebook profile. The moment you've set up an account, this will be the user's perspective of your page. They could possibly be a friend you're going to connect with. So you will need some kind of headline that accurately describes what you're offering, whether it is a life coaching session or merely a conversation. And you will display your price here, which will explain to them how much they should be willing to pay for your services. Then they will receive down here some more details about you, and it provides the user with your precise location. Just in case some of your virtual buddies want to actually interact with people who are from the same country or continent with them, where the time zone is convenient for them. Now, you get down here to decide which communication channels to use if it's okay with you. You can text and do video calls over the phone, or if you feel more at ease with just texting, you can also indicate that. But the more options you provide, the more likely it is for people to contact you, because most of them want to connect with you in numerous ways. Therefore, they might feel limited to only messaging, but it is completely up to you. Feel free to consider all available choices, and later on, you'll begin making substantial money and instant cash on this website. So that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first one to know. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.